the Office of the Ombudsman determined that there exists probable cause to file criminal charges in connection with an alleged 92.8 million peso ghost infrastructure project in Pandi, Bulacan. The project was awarded on March 28, 2025. Accordingly, we informed the public that criminal informations have been filed before the Sandigan Bayan against several officials of the DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office and Senator Ramon Bong Bautista Revilla Jr. The informations allege that the respondents conspired to facilitate the release of approximately 76 million pesos for the supposed construction of a flood control project in Purok 5, Barangay Bunsuran, Pandi, Bulacan. A project which, based on official inspection and witness accounts, was never implemented. Despite the absence of any actual construction, the respondents declared the project completed. Thereafter, to facilitate the release of the entire project cost, the respondents are found to have falsified accomplishment reports, issued fraudulent billing documents, and endorsed disbursement vouchers. The respondents in these criminal cases include: number 1, former Senator Ramon Bautista Bong Revilla Jr., aka Ramon Bong Bautista Revilla Jr., Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, Engineer JP Mendoza, Engineer RJ Domasig, Engineer Emelita Huat, Mr. Juanito Mendoza, Ms. Cristina Pineda. There are 7 respondents in this case. They face the following charges. Number 1, malversation of public funds through falsification of public documents under Article 217 in relation to Articles 171 and 172 of the Revised Penal Code. And second, violation of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, or RA 3019. For the case of malversation, the prosecution recommended no bail. That said, if and when warrants of arrest are issued by the court, the respondents will have to be detained pending trial. Today's filing before the Sandigan Bayan emphasizes that the Office of the Ombudsman is steadfast in its commitment to enforce accountability where public funds are concerned. This sends and should send a clear message. Those who misuse public funds will be held accountable under the law. As we have repeatedly and consistently stated, the Office of the Ombudsman will pursue these cases firmly, independently, and without fear or favor. This filing marks the 3rd major case acted upon our office arising from a series of infrastructure corruption. As we have stated before, this is only the beginning. Our commitment to accountability shall be relentless, deliberate, and in accordance with law. At present, several cases are still ongoing preliminary investigation, while many more remain under active and continuing fact-finding. We will continue to provide regular updates to the media and the public as these cases mature and become ripe for filing in court. Maraming salamat po. So I have with me copies of the informations filed in court. I also have with me an urgent motion for special raffle of the cases, considering that we filed the cases today, Friday, and the immediate issuance of a warrant of arrest and whole departure order.